everyone, I am Schoolville's little scientist, Kenji. The COVID-19 virus is still here. I am getting bored because I cannot go to the park like I used to. I want to do some fun science experiments. Do you want to join? Oh, I think you are worried because you might not have some materials? Well, don't worry, because I don't have those science stuff too. But I have things here in our house to make into an exciting experiment. The ingredients and materials will appear on your screen on 3, 2, 1. See? We just need 5 usual things to make magic happen. First, get a clean plate. Second step is to put some milk on your fancy plate. Make sure not to fill it up too much or else we will have a milk flood. Third step is to drop or plop some food coloring on the milk you made on the plate. Fourth step is to get your Q-tip. Now, if you ask me if I will put this to clean my ear canal, well, no! We will use this as our little magic wand. The fifth step is to dip or put some dishwashing liquid onto your Q-tip. Lastly, put your Q-tip with your dishwashing liquid onto the plop of food coloring you made on the milk. Amazing, right? But how is that possible? Milk contains stuff like water, vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fats. Yes, you heard that right. Fat. Fats in milk don't like soap. Why? Because it weakens it. The soap has 2 moods, the water-loving mood and the water-hating mood. The water-loving mood will be dissolved in the water as part of the milk, but the water-hating mood will cling or will have a free ride into the fats. The fat molecules will roll, twist, and bend because the water-hating mood will race to join the fat molecules. Oh, one more thing. Do not drink the milk solution or else you will be a cute, milky bubble human. Again, this is your Schoolville's little scientist, Kenji.